going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. So I want to show you guys this apartment building and how their drains are set up. So you can see the trap comes down. This has been cut in the past, so they put a coupling. But if you look back there, that's actually a T coming from the next unit. And so when you snake down, you got to make sure you go down here, and then it shoots over into that wall there. So I'm just going to show you guys how we snake this drain. So this plug is way too high, so I'm guessing that's why they put this coupling here. So we're going to undo it from right there. Just let the water drain down. So we're doing that. I'm going to be using the Milwaukee M12, and I got a 5/16 cable with a bulb head. No, if it goes to fill up, I'll use my bucket.
Because I've had it where it was overflowing pictures, the original kitchen.
Yeah, they haven't updated it.
No, not the original.
Well, that's nice for them to give the new tenants.
The two tenants have brand new kitchens, brand new floors. They don't have these floors.
These parquet, I hate
you know,
these.
they have the other ones.
These are garbage.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
floors.
Yeah, because what happens when they get wet? Let's say you flood,
Rises.
they rise and they'll never go back into position the way they
They
were.
have to rip them out.
Yeah.
In under the baseboards.
Yeah.
Over the heating, and that leaked through the walls, outside walls.
Yeah.
I did my bedroom once and they're lifting again.
Really,
That means there's still water coming in after they did the walls.
Yeah, that's
So
crazy.
I gotta throw them in when I sometime. Some of them I've lifted.
That's
I
ridiculous.
can smell the rotting. You can smell the rotting wood when it really rains and pounds on that wall.
Really, eh?
After a while, the legend starts smelling of rotting. That's not safe, right?
I wouldn't think so, but
That's
I-
molding, mold. Right?
yeah, like I can't be 100%, but like
When I first moved in here,
yeah.
and I'm a former teacher, right? I
Okay.
would be up at 2 in the morning mopping my floor because I'd have this much water
Really, eh?
on the windows. And I said, look, I gotta go to work. And they wouldn't believe me. I
Really?
said, can you come and stay with me for the night? And I'll show you, there's water pouring in. They said you don't close your windows properly. That wasn't, I know how to close a window, okay?
Jesus
So
Christ.
this was coming in through the walls.
Really?
Right, coming down.
You were saying you were is that where you were doing in Africa, teaching?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
You got the best students in these countries that are poor, you know.
Yeah, eh?
You got top-notch students, not like here. Because they know they don't have to work.
Yeah.
You got to work and they're going to get out of there.
That's it.
Or study abroad and become whatever they want to do. And I came back here, I was away in the 80s. I came back in the 90s. I said, what happened to this country?
Really,
They
eh?
told me all our water's polluted. And they never talked about that in the 70s. Because, and then the kids' attitudes changed. Wow. Really snarky, you know, like.
Really, eh?
Be careful what you say to them. They report you to the parents go to the principal, you're hauled into the office, the principal doesn't support you. I'm telling you. We're not supported.
So my wife, she's
We're
an
not supported
she's
by
an ECE,
administration.
and that's what she said. She's like, she doesn't have no.
What does she do?
She's an ECE,
Okay.
so like she works in a kindergarten class, and
Those kids couldn't-
yeah. So, but yeah,
Teacher, she moved to that right at JKSK.
yeah.
She nearly had a nervous breakdown and left she was near retirement, she retired early. She left in December, she said, I can't do this.
I can imagine. All right, so we're going down now, so we're gonna pull it back.
Is this going down into the next guy's sink?
So not into the guy's sink, but in the wall.
Oh.
And that's
Going past the next apartment below me?
yeah. So I always like to make sure I go below the next unit. Just
Yeah, but it could block 2 units down now.
it could. Typically it doesn't, but it can. No, we have.
Being negative, right?
Well, we have gone back to units, and we'll get calls before we leave and stuff like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Another problem somewhere else?
Well, I was saying that like we push the problem down. So not that it's
And you don't know what it is, right?
like I said, it's not.
Pushing it down.
Yeah, it's typically going to be grease, and grease is going to fall. And if it hits an offset, and that's
So I can put hot water down my sink.
yep,
Huh.
that is the best thing for
You
drains.
don't mind, you're not to do that. You'll ruin your
Yeah, there's a lot of people will put things online so that you don't fix it yourself and you have to call somebody. Hot water is the best thing for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I better retell my brother's son-in-law. He's in a house.
Oh yeah.
They have a blocky. They even have a sub pump. I think they got a sub pump now. Isn't it really good?
Yeah, eh? I got it running now. I'm gonna just plug it up and fill the sink, and then we'll test it. Yeah.
I get sick easily. I'm older. And I had an autoimmune disease.
Oh, really, eh?
Well, then 6 years of putting me on steroids to be sure it didn't come back. It's really horrible to have these things.
Yeah.
You know, they really are good time. Get you off the steroid, but they're leery. They're very leery about getting you off. They're very gradual process.
Yeah, eh?
It is. You just don't walk cold turkey. You have a hard job.
It can be some days.
Now, how much would this cost a homeowner if you went into someone's home and did this?
So, for what I did today,
Good job.
probably all depends on day of the week, day or weekend, nighttime. So, like today, right now, if I went in 3 o'clock, like $250.
Not bad.
No.
Yeah, I know plumbers do well.
Yeah. We do.
That's not the nicest job, right?
It's not a lot of the time, but if you love what you do,
A lot
it's
of water there.
in here. No.
Wipe it out. So this mop and disinfect my counter.
Yeah.
I got sick. You don't know life. You better enjoy your life. I only had to be retired 5 years.
Oh, really? Eh?
I'm at 70. I retired at 66.
Okay.
At 71, I woke up in the morning and I couldn't see out of the corner of my eye, and I thought, oh, I'm just tired. Then it got worse. I went to my eye doctor and I said, get yourself down there with the optometrist. And they didn't know what the heck, so this is what get you down to town to the big eye clinic.
Yeah.
There's a called Kensington Eye Clinic.
Okay. Yeah.
It's just northeast Kensington Eye. You go there, but fine, and it was getting worse. I mean, a delay with our health. When I finally go to the hospital, wait, you're on triage, you're waiting, and by then,
Yeah.
by 6 o'clock, I lost my eyesight. It's done. Finished.
That's ridiculous. It's like
Yeah.
the amount of taxes we
They could
pay.
have saved it, and they could have prevented it getting that bad. And I really just shouldn't have happened. It's if you don't go to a doctor. You know, some people don't go, they just let it happen.
Yeah.
I was surprised. And so, they saved the other eye. They said 50% it would have been completely blind
Really, eh?
from an autoimmune disease. So, I just praise the Lord that He kept the one eye. You know? He does not fear, you only have one. Good.
Yeah.
He always So is it flowing here?
It's flowing.
And we don't know when it was, so when
Like I say, it was probably grease, but nobody. No. But nobody's at fault. It's just over the years it'll build up, right?
If it stopped hot water, because I read about it, and I thought, oh, and I wasn't doing it.
Now, hot water is actually better for the drains because it's going to melt that grease and keep it liquefied all the way down. Like,
It was solid.
exact. Because as soon as you put cold water, it hardens it up, right? And that's what can get stuck in the pipe. But again, I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong. I've been to places where it's back to back like this, and the neighbor would have a backwater valve, so they wouldn't even know. And this person wasn't even living there. It was an empty unit flooding out, right? Because of the drains are full of grease, and the people upstairs are using the water. They didn't notice next door because they had a backwater valve, and it was actually holding. So
You didn't go up either.
no, you can't go up. You can only go down. Just the way the pipes are